Welcome to my video. We're at Site 29 at Bahia Honda State Park, and we're gonna walk, get our daily amount of exercise. Where are we going, Crystal?
I'm not sure. You told me where, but I'm not sure.
We're going to the scenic overlook. Okay, I'll take that. There's some shark jaws over here. Are them your shark jaws?
No, it's a friend.
It's a friend's shark jaws. So it's
okay.
hello. Here's the waterfront sites. 25. Hello.
Hi. These are their shark jaws.
Yeah,
So she can
those
tell you
are
all
cool.
about them.
yeah, thank you.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I took a picture of them.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Did you find them yourself?
No, so we went shark fishing, and so my daddy harvested the jaw from them. Yeah, and then he just set them up so they're drying, getting whatever.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so a couple weeks ago, your dad caught an 8-foot bull shark.
Oh my gosh.
300 pounds, just right on the corner. yeah.
Makes you want to go swimming over
Oh
here.
yeah.
Well, I'm going to continue on so I don't aggravate that dog further.
Thanks for letting us.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for bringing them. Okay, now that'd be a good sight. You'd have to back in.
That's a cute little camper, little rockwood.
Okay, do you know the way? There's a nice shiny Airstream.
Over the river and through the woods.
That's a beauty.
Look at that. Pain in the butt.
I'd have a device on that dog that shocked him when he barked.
Ah,
If I was gonna leave him alone, but whatever. This is kind of cool here.
left him home.
I was trying to figure this out.
Look at that bike. That's pretty.
Oh yeah, beach cruiser. I didn't know if he was weaving this rope or what.
Yeah, I think it's got something to do with the finger thing.
Oh,
This thing, you weave it through it.
okay.
See, the poles go here,
Yeah,
and you read it.
okay. You think I'm going the wrong way?
Yes.
Because there's where I'm going.
Yeah, but can you get there going through here? I don't think so. I think you got to go back that way.
Oh, that's right, because that is, no. What is that?
That's the end of the campground.
No walking path. Okay.
So you got to go back here.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, that's where we're going. These sites would be fairly nice too. Bigger.
Maybe,
This one big.
very loud.
Yeah. Yeah, none of them are very silent.
Yeah, I didn't realize
Look, the
how
Jeep's plugged in.
noisy.
Look, the Jeep's plugged in. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Electric Jeep. I'll be darned.
Yeah, what do they think of next?
I couldn't believe it was plugged in.
I wonder if they'll make an electric wheelbarrow so I won't have to push it.
Probably. Okay. So I'm staying in the shade.
Thinking of that turtle we saw on our bike ride.
There's a big site. Number 7 is pretty awesome. This one looks a little short. Number 6.
Wow, see, that dude had to be clear up in there. I'd look.
There's our lending library again.
We're right over here.
There's a lot of good books. Magazines. See if there's anything I was looking for. There's even a game in there. Whoops. There we go. The lending library. There's our site again.
That's in the library. This is a
Yep.
Flagler Bay.
From Wisconsin. What are people from Wisconsin called? Crystal.
Cheddarheads.
Ding, ding, ding. That is correct. Cheddarheads. I'm a cheddarhead.
Yes, you are. But we love cheddarheads.
It's very hot.
My dad was a cheddarhead.
What's that sign say? Friends and Fun Friday. Okay. Except I won't be there.
Said music friends and fun.
Okay. So that was pretty much our campground tour. You think I should stop and start over or just let the video run?
What do you want to do?
Well, probably should just stop.
Well, it's a long walk, so
Okay.
you don't want
That's
to
the
bore
end of
them
our
with tears.
first section, and that is the entrance to Buttonwood Campground. You have to have the code. Next stop is the marina.